Before I address this gathering, I request that all of us to be upstanding to observe 1 minute of silence in honor of our innocent daughters who perished in an accident in Utumishi Girls Academy. Enatenga tutende twensi edaikemo tokire toena namasikani asa abana 15 omo baye omuliro alya nakuru edaikemo tokire. I pray to God to give strength and comfort to the children's family who perished in the tragedy at Utumishi Girls School. I also appeal to the heads of institutions, to ensure that dormitories, doors and windows can be opened easily to enable quick exit in case of such incidents. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me an immense joy to join you today as we celebrate 63 years since our nation attained self-governance, a landmark achievement that marked the beginning of Kenya's journey towards freedom and progress and set the stage for the prosperous nation we proudly call our home today. I extend my heartfelt greetings to all, to all the people of Kisii County and the Kenyans across the country. I also send warm regards to our brothers and sisters living in different parts of the Kenya, all of the world. I thank you for your unwavering love and commitment to our county despite the distance. Allow me to sincerely thank all who have gathered here today in a true demonstration of patriotism, unity, and love for our county. Your presence reflects the enduring spirit of nationalism that continue to bind us together as one people. Today marks a defining chapter in our national history, a reminder of courage, resilience, and sacrifice